Good morning! It's day 2 in Hawaii. We woke up at about 5:30 because 5:30 here is like 9:30 at home, I think. And we took some walks on the beach and it was so pretty. And now we're just gonna make breakfast and figure out what we're doing today. We're not sure. Come along on our day in paradise. This morning we're making avocado toast.
Yeah, you guessed it. It's a Hawaiian avocado sandwich. Unbelievable. Absolutely gorgeous.
I was going through everything and I found a sewing kit. So I decided I was gonna make a lei. And there's these white trees here that are so pretty. So I'm gonna take a bunch of flowers off here, and then I already picked some pink flowers, like the one that I have in my hair right now. And I'm so excited. I hope it's gonna be cute. I don't know if this is gonna be enough flowers. And I also don't know how to do this. I'm gonna do 1 pink and then 2 white. I hope it looks good. Today, I think we decided we're gonna go to a fruit stand and to the beach. Oh, it's so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. We're just gonna tie these together. Here it is, guys, my homemade lei. I love it. We're going down to the beach. Got stung by a bee. I was just walking and then I stepped on a bee. So hopefully I don't turn into this again.
So many crabs.
Okay, so we're heading to a thrift store in Hawaii. I'm hoping they have some fun stuff. And we are next to Rebel Kitchen, which is where we're gonna eat lunch. Cute. Here's our food. I ended up getting this ring and the pants that you saw. We're trying the donkey balls.
Like macadamia?
We're going to a fruit stand. This is exciting. Oh, these are huge avocados. Chickens! The drive back down to our house is super, super steep and scary. We're here. What up, it's Lil Tech. I'm only 9 years old and I already got a Hawaii mansion.
You already know what it is. Lil Tech, the youngest flex of the century. I'm only 9 years old, but I'm richer than all y'all.
Let's go. So this is the porch where I have parties. Follow me, let's go. This is where I sleep. It's not an air mattress, it's luxury.
This bed cost me a Lamborghini.
This is where I make my music videos.
Ooh, Lil Tech, money way. Call them the coupon Tuesday.
Okay, let's keep going.
Make 20 messages today.
This is where I make my food. Just kidding, I don't eat food. Here's the laundry room. I don't go in there. In here is the bathroom.
My toilet costs more to your rent. Everything in my bathroom costs more to your rent.
Then if you follow me, we got my other room, because I got 2 rooms in this house, y'all. This is my other room.
And see, this is my closet. Everything here will be designer. Gucci, Louis, Versace.
Oh yeah, this is my grandparents' room. This is where they sleep. They got 2 walkout porches. My grandma's in there. We just shove her in the closet sometimes when she's being annoying. Let's keep going. This house ain't over yet. Buckle your seatbelts. This is about to get intense. Here's my beach. It's black sand because we don't settle for no boring white sand, you know what I'm saying? This is my favorite part. This is my scarf. This is my Gucci scarf, okay? Y'all like it? Yeah, I know you do. I'm getting worn out showing y'all my mansion, so I gotta close out now. Peace out from Lil Tay. That's it, guys. Bye! Haha, sorry for being that annoying. Just so you know, that was a joke. We rented this house. It's a public beach. I was just playing off Lil Tay's videos, but now Adam and I are on a walk. We found like a big yellow spider. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the fruit that we got earlier. Because we got 4 mangoes and then we got 4 bananas, but they're apple bananas, so they're supposed to taste like apple. And then we got these called lychees. And then we got a dragon fruit, which is like bright pink on the inside. I'm really excited to try this. And some octopus. We actually got this at the store, but we're gonna cook this as an appetizer tonight. I'm gonna try this lychee. Here we go. It tastes like a grape. It's got a weird texture. It's like raw meat texture. Dad, what do we have happening over here?
We're grilling some octopus. Why didn't you sell a small company?
With a tentacle.
Yeah, that tentacle.
Grandma
I don't remember.
Grandma
Oh,
gets
I
pizza with
get
the
that.
tentacle.
I'll eat all around it.
No, eat the whole, just
I'll
do
put the
it.
whole thing. That's
Yes. Okay, well eat the tentacle if you
I
eat
know, I
anything.
don't want to do that because
Yeah.
I get sick. That looks like something you suction on.
Exactly, it is.
Yes.
You gotta eat it.
Turn off that buzzer.
Oh, I can tell you now I don't like it. Who would something you have to... I don't want that crap. Ooh.
Here, Grandma. Grandma probably wants this piece.
I don't want anything.
I'll eat it.
Samuel ate it.
Look, this is the tail. Ew, okay. I just gotta do it.
Yeah, we went by it.
I'm not doing that. That's so weird.
I can't eat it. I know it. What do you think?
I don't think it's that bad.
Oh, well, good.
See?
That looks delicious.
It's good.